Hello friends, welcome to Arlene's Recipe Corner. You are with Arlene Khan on a new episode, and today it's a tea time snack called crispy onion pakodas with a twist of adding tandoori chicken. I hope you like this video. Keep watching. To start with and to prepare the pakoda mix, I've taken a mixing bowl into which I'm adding 200 grams of gram flour or the basin, into which goes some powdered spices, that's half teaspoon each of turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, and some chaat masala mix. Adding in some salt to taste. Now goes a few coriander leaves, some chopped chilies, some shredded cabbage and carrots, thin sliced onions, a teaspoon of mint chutney, some thin sliced curry leaves, and this is the shredded tandoori chicken. Do add all this and mix well. Add water only if required. The batter is ready. I added 100 ml of water. The consistency should be such that it should be soft, easy to be handled well, and should not be dripping. I've already heated oil to medium hot, and into this taking lemon size of the mixture and dropping it into the oil. Do give some time before adding the next drop of the mixture. Keep adding this mixture one by one and fry this on medium heat till golden brown. Do remember to flip it to avoid it from getting it burnt. Now you can see the pakodas have started changing the color and are turning golden brown in color. Now it's time to remove them and keep aside. Prepare the remaining in the same way. The pakodas are ready to be served with some mint chutney or with tomato sauce. Do not forget to like, comment, and share my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.